Hey there, Office Pros. We all know how crucial that morning cup of coffee is to kickstart our day, but have you ever thought about the state of your office coffee maker? A clean machine not only brews better coffee, but also ensures the health and safety of everyone in the office. Is your office coffee maker in dire need of a cleanse? You might be surprised at how much grime and residue can build up over time. A dirty coffee maker can affect the taste of your coffee and even harbor bacteria. Well, let's get that bad boy sparkling clean. It's easier than you think, and your taste buds will thank you. Plus, a clean machine runs more efficiently and lasts longer. First things first, make a sign that says, "Cleaning, do not use until further notice." This is crucial to avoid any mishaps. You don't want anyone brewing a cup mid-clean, which could ruin the process and waste your efforts. Trust me, you don't want anyone brewing a cup mid-clean. It's a simple step, but often overlooked. This sign will save you from a lot of headaches. Next, grab some water softener. This helps in breaking down the mineral deposits that can clog your machine and affect its performance. You can find it at any hardware store or online. Amazon's got you covered. It's a small investment for a big difference in your coffee quality. Fill the water reservoir with 2 tablespoons of water softener. This will help in breaking down any lime scale and mineral buildup inside the machine. Now run the machine through its cycle once. This allows the water softener to work its magic, cleaning out all the gunk. But here's the key part. Do it again with plain water. This second cycle ensures that all the cleaning solution is completely flushed out, leaving no residue behind. This ensures all the cleaning solution is flushed out. Don't have water softener? No worries. There are alternative methods that work just as well. Just fill the reservoir with white vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaner and works wonders in breaking down mineral deposits and killing bacteria. But, and this is super important, run a clean water cycle twice after the vinegar cleanse. This ensures that all the vinegar is rinsed out, so your next cup of coffee doesn't taste like salad dressing. And there you have it. A freshly cleaned coffee maker, ready to brew that perfect cup. Regular cleaning not only improves the taste of your coffee, but also extends the life of your machine. A freshly cleaned coffee maker ready to brew that perfect cup. Enjoy the rich, full flavor of your coffee, free from any unwanted residues. For top-notch professional cleaning services, visit officecleaningstl.com today. They offer comprehensive cleaning solutions to keep your office environment pristine. Happy brewing and keep that office running smoothly. A clean coffee maker means happy, productive employees. Cheers to great coffee and a great day at work.